Some of the main reasons why Figma is such a good program is basically, it's like I mentioned earlier, it's purely browser based. So you literally can just open it up in a modern browser and just start designing away. It's a very lightweight program and doesn't require that much resources of your computer. So you can have an older computer and everything should still work fine. Figma allows multiple designers working on the same exact document at the exact same time, meaning I could be working on this document in Los Angeles and another person can be working on the exact same document in Israel, and we could be both modifying stuff simultaneously. It works very fast and smooth, and just with a little effort, it's pretty easy to learn. Handoffs are pretty simple as well. After you're done with your file, there's a little share button. You just click that and you get a link, and you can just send that off to developers or other decision makers or anyone else that needs to see that, and things kind of get saved similar to Dropbox or Google Drive, just directly in the cloud. I do want to mention that the software is completely free for individuals, and I think everybody really should be using this thing and really taking advantage of it. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to get started in Figma and also use some of the basic tools.